Hi everyone, welcome to the webinars. All right, just wait for a couple more minutes for everyone to tune in, and then I will start the session for today. All right. Mm. Okay, guys. I hope you guys can hear me and can see me, right? Okay. Okay, guys. I think maybe some of people haven't tuning in, so we'll just wait for a while, all right? And then I will start the session. You can let me know, all right, if you have any question about trading. Okay, I will try to answer, all right? If not, just bring your guide to the chart, and then we see if there is any opportunity for us to find a trade setup for today. Okay. Okay. All right, guys. Let's just start our session for today. Okay. Again, welcome to the webinar. Today is all about trading strategy clinic. If you have any question about trading, you can let me know. Okay, or you can ask me. All right. If you guys don't have, I'll bring you guys to the chat and then you see if there is opportunity for us to find the trade setup for today. Again, before we start the webinar, as usual, guys, remember that everything in this video is educational in nature. Nothing should be construed as investment or trading advice. If you guys want to trade, please do your own due diligence before you guys trade. Okay. Okay. So let's just look at the chart. Just give me for a while. Okay. Ah, right here. Okay. Okay. Let me just put the bookmark. All right, so you guys know that which pair I'm talking about. Again, let me just look at the DXY for today right now. Okay, so what we can see at the DXY, I think DXY is like ranging. Can you see me? Between first resistance and first support. Sorry, and okay, actually, let me see. I draw the extension from like from here, from this kind of like swing high to swing low here, and then you can see that like it's off it almost touches the extension 127.2 and 61.8%. All right, fib bowl level somewhere around here. Okay, and then you know that I think it might potentially it's still ranging, and I put the intermediate support somewhere around here. Okay, I think here should have 23 23.6% fib level, or 38, sorry. Okay, it's at 38.2%. It line up very nicely with our intermediate support, meaning that if price is still, I mean, in bearish momentum, have to break this. But what we can see here is still make a lower low. And I think this one is might create the double top or M pattern, right? But you can see here. Okay, I adjust a little bit. Okay, what you can see here that they might create the like double top like this. Okay, yeah, here like double top possible, right? Ichimoku cloud sometimes we don't need okay, we just hide it. Like I think it come up here, so maybe like that. Either they break below, let's say it break below, and then if it continue on downtrend, okay, because what we can see over here is the price on DXY, okay, it's make a higher high, higher low, higher high. If you will look at the market structures, and then after that it's make a lower low, but I think it is a high, low, high, and then they make like the equal high here, maybe like the top here, and then this might reverse from here, because what you can see here, when the price is try to break the first resistance, and we could see that there's a lot of rejection over here. Okay, okay, you will zoom, like zoom in, okay. In H1, you can see that I think there's a little bit of divergence over here in the H1 time frame, right? Bearish like divergence over here. So I think the price could potentially falling even more. Okay, so EU and you see EU and GBP and USD and gold should be rising because they are negative correlation, right? But what we noticed that last Friday, because of the war last week, right? Even though like DXY is rising, gold also rising, but EU and GU still falling. So there will be some, uh, some positive correlation. So if you guys want to, stay away from gold at the moment, that you should, because now gold is really hard to trade. You can trade another pair if you want to. Hi guys, welcome to the webinar. Okay, you can let me know any pair you want me to have a look. Okay, if don't have, I will just go through all the major and other like indices or and gold and oil. All right. Okay, so now what you can see the EU here. So in H4 time frame, okay, it will react up my first resistance in yesterday like one time, two time, and then came down all the way, and then kind of bounce off a little bit. It bounced off from my intermediate support, so it's kind of ranging. Actually, I can just put here at my first support, right? You can see that price I cannot break below this one, and this one I think we could call a breakout, or this one we could just put like second support over here. Okay, and then we can remove in H4. Okay, but again, if you look here, I think price is still on downtrend, right? If you will look at the bigger pictures from here, price is make a lower high until here they make a higher high over here. Let me look at the daily time frame. It's still on the downside. Okay, so high, lower high, lower low. Okay, so like again, because this one is bounced off from our first support, because this why it's falling, right? Because you see in H1 time frame, I told you that there is a divergent, belly divergent over here. So this why still falling. So EU, that's why it's rising. Okay, what you can see here is rising. Okay, and if you are scalper and then you want to like place the trade, either you can go to lower time frame or like M15 or M30. But I think over here, let's say you have a buy, you might take your take profit somewhere around here, which is your first TP, which is somewhere with 61.8% around this level. Okay, but I think price still can come down. It just like go up to maybe pull back and then view, either not view, it might like falling from here if you have a buy position, but I don't have because price is really reverse. Okay, so I did not monitor this pair. Okay, this one you can put at your resistance, intermediate resistance, meaning that you monitor this level whether price it could break above or not, which is we do have somewhere 61.8%. Okay, here this is the zone. Okay, I just put the red box here. Okay, either up here for or just up here and then go up here, because right now sideways since yesterday. You see, go up here, up, react off my resistance here, and then still coming down. So it seems like this is really quite strong resistance level over here. Okay, you see rising in H okay. You guys have any question? You want me to have a look for you? You can let me know. Okay. What about GBP USD? GBP USD. Okay, now it's at my first support. Okay, if you want to buy, you can probably buy, because we do have a belly divergent over here in H4. Okay, let me just, do we have the divergent? Yeah, we have a divergent over here. All right, you see. Okay, this, and then this is my um uh support level. Okay, if like, if you put very tight stop loss, you might get a stop out here because of the wick. Okay, in H1, you see this is very nice price action in H1, meaning that you can see price will go up because we do have a bearish divergent, bullish divergent in H4, and this is somewhere, if I want to adjust like my level, let me remove. Okay, this is here, and somewhere here. Okay, and this is price action in H1, and we do have the bearish bullish divergence in H4, because sometimes RSI, if you cannot see clearly to identify bearish or bullish divergence, you can just double click here and you can see that, okay, it's the low is higher low, high, and higher low. Okay, so this potential will go up, but where your TP, but again your TP, I think first it should be somewhere here for scalping. Okay, if not, you just hold and then you scale your profit. All right. Okay, this is a very divergent over here. Okay, UJ. Okay, for UJ, to me, I think yesterday I was in the sale position. Even now it's still ranging over here, and then I thought like, okay, there is a bearish divergence in H4 like over here, right? You can see here. You see here. And then I thought it could came down, but it's now like since yesterday it's like ranging. You can see like between first resistance and first support. Okay, so if you want to hold, you can hold the sell position if you have. Let's see lower time frame. The key. There's no value or volume at all for the UJ. So again, if you don't have any order, you may consider to short here and then where your SL just above here. I have very tight stop loss when I do trading, but some people they just put above this week. Okay, let's say if you can manage your loss side and then they can just put above this week, or to me, I just put above this week only, and because there's a bearish divergence over here, and it seems like this one is mine like coming down, but we don't know, right? And I thought like, okay, this is a really big bearish candle, and this candle, if it was closed with the red one, and then yeah, potentially they will like reversing from here, but then you can see that there is no candle. Okay, like I think yeah, you can sell if you want to. Okay, you may consider. All right, but if like that you don't have, I think you don't need to trade for this pair. Just find another. Okay, so for the U franc here, I thought, okay, I thought that this is gonna be like a very bullish divergence over here because, okay, what you can see over here, he have a lot of rejection, right? And then I thought, okay, this is a liquidity zone, like price trend to like break below, and then after that, I was in the buy position because up to until here, and then from up here, they could not, go up beyond like this level, which is we have like supply zone here, and after that price touch and then got rejection and then still came coming down. Yeah, so let's say if you break this support, you wanted to enter for buy position, you may enter here at the second support, because first support it come and touch a few times already, more than 5 times rejection, but then this one I think they try to break below. Okay, even though here got like a divergence over here, but just came up a little bit and then came down again. Yeah, and you to see here, right? Like when they make a very big move, like upside, they slowly like going up, and then after that they sideways for a while, like from here, like here they're sideways, even though sideways break above them, like this zone is sideways, right? And then after that you can see the big player in the market here, boom, H4, and then also buy up, and then sell a little bit and then keep going up here. And here when price it come up until here, they create like double bottom, right? Here, yeah, like the M pattern. Some people say the M pattern over here. Here, and after that price break below this, let's just say neckline, and then after that they come back, all the way back, all the way up here, and then get another sell position here, then all the way down. So I think you monitor this zone. Okay, it cannot break below this, you can just buy, but to me, I will wait for the below one, but it seems like they're gonna go up here, but you see a lot one rejection already. You see the reject, try to go like above, I mean they could not break below this support level, right? You see this is a rejection already, so it's kind of like sideways. So if I see like that, even though if I buy here, I already closed because it seems like it's ranging for me, so I just close the position just now early. What about you, cat? Okay, for you, cat, here This one used to be my resistance level like yesterday, and then it break above already. So now I'm wait for price to pull back here, and then I'm gonna buy here. I'm gonna buy here. Okay, because this is used to be resistance level, break below, resistance becomes support, and break below become resistance, and break up, break above again becomes support. So I'm waiting for price to pull back at my first support, and then I'm gonna buy here. Okay, this zone. All right, here. And my TP of course at my first resistance. Okay, this is how you draw support and resistance, right? About my AU. Okay, the AU, if you were to look at the H4 again, me is always based on H4, right? If you look really carefully, it's on downtrend, right? Because they make a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. They still within the bearish channel line here, what you can see. And yesterday, Wednesday, right, price it came up all the way to react at 61.8%, and they do have the supply zone over here. Okay, that's why when the price is go up, have rejection and then all the way down. Okay, you guys trade demand and supply. And this is a supply zone, all right. And then now it's all the way come up here, but I think they captures almost reaching the body of this recent swing low. But you know, then after that it's just, let's say guys, if you were to sell here and then you say, okay, I'm going to put my TP over here, let's say, and then you can see that it's missed by a few pip, right? And then it's reversed. So sometimes you want to put like stop loss, or sorry, stop loss or take profit. Either you use your trailing stop to let it run, or you can manually close it. Okay, because I think they'll come, yeah, you can come up to like this body almost like hitting, right, and then reverse from here. But again, I think it's still on downtrend. Okay, it's still on downtrend. So just put here the body, because still in within bearish channel line, and price is still make a high lower low, lower high. Okay, and then also below Ichimoku cloud. So you can buy here if you want to, just manage your risk. And if you were to ask me how I find second support, when you zoom to the left, there's nothing with all the way here maybe. So use extension to help me to find support level, which is I draw from swing low to swing high, and then off it. So choose 127 for my support level. So right here, okay, for my second support. All right, because we use extension for find support and resistance if we cannot find any level. Okay, AUD Kiwi dollar. Okay, the Kiwi dollar I was, okay, over here I thought like, okay, this is bullish divergent, but it seems like it's not, or maybe it's come to until here, right? And then you can see that the divergence happened here, so it's coming, you see. Okay, since I was using the extension for the support level, and what you can see here, it touched my Fibonacci extension 127.2, and then it kind of stop here a little bit. So let's say you buy, this is your TP, and then it's gonna go down like that. Okay, I think it's coming down because this one used to be support level, it break below, now it stop right here. You wait for price to pull back at the support level, and then you sell. Okay, and then you sell here. See? Okay, so now if you buy, let me just zoom into H1. Okay, in H1 what you can see here, Yeah, green. Yeah, it might pull back to first support, first resistance over here. Okay, I think it's best you just wait to sell over here. Okay, you don't buy. Okay, but if you think you confident, you can just buy here and then you sell over to me. Either I buy and sell, then I will wait to sell only. Okay. What you can see in the lead time frame, it's still coming down though. It's still coming down even more. So if you were on the sell side, that will be good for you because price still, in the valid momentum. Okay. So if you want to trade again the trend, and then you have to be very careful. Okay. It's buy here and sell. All right. Any pair, guy, you need to have a look. Okay, let's look at gold. Okay, gold to me, what you can see over here, you want to look at daily time frame right here. Okay, right here. Price is come and touch my order block over here. Like here is my order block here. Okay, red here, right? What you can see here, you see it come to 1962 and then it's all the way down until like 1948. So it's almost it's 200 pip or 200 pip a bit, right? And then here, okay, and then now they're still coming down. But if you were to look or use a extension, okay, they might come to this extension. This is the week, which is first resistance, which is 1987. Okay, for second or maybe first resistance, let's just say in the lead time frame dip, which is extension 127 and 61. Let's just say this could be like second resistance, something like that. But if you want to zoom in now in H4, what you can see, there's a lot of rejection here. Okay, the rejection over here, like here, right, the rejection here, and we see like the belly divergent over here. Okay, but I think now they are ranging because they are waiting for news. We do have news later, right, for about unemployment claim or something. Okay, so technically, technical, I think they might like falling because we do have barrier divergence over here, but I think it's just that they are waiting for the news later. Okay, so here, let's say if you sell, you can sell now, but your TP just have to be above this week or above this, depend on how big is your lot size. But if you like scalper, okay, you sell now, your TP have to be above this, which is 1962. Okay, and what you can see here, it's just ranging in M15. Okay, and your TP you can just set here, which is 1932 or 1940. Your TP should be around here, 1933, or again this is your TP. Okay, like again, last Friday I got stop out of gold because of the war, right? So I think this week I will stay away from gold for a while. Okay, so I'll trade another pair. Okay, so I just leave gold like that. Even though like I see that there is a value divergence to me, but you may consider, but I myself am not gonna trade gold for like for the time being. Okay, I just let it go first. But if there is very really nice either support or here, I might consider to either buy up or sell. But now I'm not doing anything for gold. Okay, guys. Question. Okay, BTC will be okay. Okay, yes. Sorry, I just saw your question. Okay, okay, the BTC, I don't know how come I will spike up here. I think when you got on Monday, is it that news? Okay, and then you spike up again. If you look at H4, I don't think there's a good pair to trade. Or you can see just ranging here. and then what you can see here is like first resistance, right? And then spike up here, maybe got stop out. Let's look at the daily time frame. Okay, what you can see here, okay, to the week. So the week is just, you know, either got stop out here, definitely is what you can see here, and another one is here. But if you look at the daily time frame, what you can see here, like the week here almost reach the resistance here, and then got stop, like, you know, reverse. So it's really very difficult to, you know, um to find the level for BTC, because what you can see here, daily time frame is sideways, sideways, sideways. Okay, this one is really like strong buy, right? A little bit like white cup, then after that like consolidation or like sideways somewhere here, and then after that sell. After selling sideways, buy up, sell sideways, and then buy, sell, buy, and then buy, boom, and then come down. I don't trade the BTC because to me it's very hard to trade. If you were to look at market structures, you see it's really like very hard to see. But if you know how to trade like white cup, right, you can see here like say like, you know, sell, right, and you know it's sideways. After the sideways it break above here. One is like sometimes you see those sideways thing, you just you know, draw the box like either the wick and the wick here or the body like that. Okay, one is break above this wick and then you buy, which is, I think you can use another ID indicator with volume. Okay, what you can see here, the volume here. Okay, it really strong sell. Okay, and then about, yeah, up down here, and then after that it break above this box. You can see that this is very strong volume for buy, which is green, and then you can buy up. Okay, you can see here it is a daily time frame. Okay, and then you were to draw support and resistance. I just say here. Okay, break resistance. This resistance pull down a little bit and break above, and then become support level, this level, and then go up. Now this call fake breakout. This is fake breakout. Okay, because this is the support level, and then they came down until here, and then they reverse up to uptrend. This is a fake breakout. Okay, and what you can see here, the volume here come here, and then you can see really strong buy over here. Okay, now let me look at the H4. Okay, now if you look at H4, to be honest, it's like very, very, very difficult to find the structures. But again, to me, if price now it's ranging, I don't have any trade setup for you. It's just right here. But let's say if they come here, you may consider to buy, because sorry, we do have 61.8%, but I draw from the week because I have no choice, because I don't know, just swing low and swing high and swing low. We do have this is demand zone. Okay, another trading strategy, either you wait for price to come in and then you buy up. Okay, because what we can see here is the low is like lower, the low is higher. Okay, this low is not big, is still lower than this low, so I think still on uptrend. But you know, no, if you were you're wait here to buy, now it's sideways, so cannot do anything. Okay, for the BTC. All right, guys, any pair, guys, any pair, only BTC, you guys only trade BTC, or any pair you trade? You guys can talk to me though, it's okay, or any pair you can request. All right, because I think I'm quite familiar with some of you guys, okay. But I don't know how to pronounce your name. um Tuksasi, okay, where you from? Okay, okay, all right, so this one, just wait here, all right. Any pair, let's just look at, you guys trade US or Dow Jones. Do you trade Dow Jones now? Okay, never mind, I will show you guys. Okay, bounce up already over here. This is a H4. Okay, what's about H1 look like? This is the bounce up from here. They capture somewhere around this week here, and then it's go up. It's almost reached the first support in H4. Okay, I'll zoom in, see, like almost reaching. I think it captures here. Bounce up. Okay. Let's look for the bigger okay. This is monthly. It look like that. The monthly, I think it's still coming down. We look for the, because I think they already like going to make like M pattern like that, right? And then we're gonna come down like that, right? And what you can see here, sell. This is almost a higher time frame already. Okay, and weekly, what we can see in weekly, the weekly is sell, like bearish. And even though this is a close with green, but the green is shorter than this bearish candle, so it's still on downtrend. I still believe Dow Jones is still on downtrend. Okay, so if we want to find the short or the sell entry daily, still sell. Okay, you wait for price to pull back here, somewhere here, which is our U-fib ball, swing low, swing high. You see, right up with 6.8% fib level, so I think you can like consider like some around this zone. Okay, like red zone for you to sell somewhere here. Okay, because we follow the trend, the price pull up and then we will sell. Okay, because if you were to see, if you were to ask me, hey Peggy, price is make a lower low, lower high, and now they make a higher high, higher low, right? But then now it's still going up, but again in the bigger time frame it's on downtrend. So basically this one is higher high, but in daily time frame it's lower high. Okay, do you see that? Do you see that? Okay, do you see that? Understand what I mean? In the daily time frame, it is a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and this is a lower high. This is a lower high in daily time frame, but in H4 it's a higher high for this one. Higher high, higher low, and higher high, and then higher low. Okay, this is what I mean, right, guys? Okay. Any question, guys? Any questions, guys? Let's look at gold. Okay, now let's look at gold. Okay. Do you guys trade gold or not? Okay, let me look at the gold for you. Oh, now it's rising. Okay, in let me see. Okay, I think it's rising. Oh, it's rising. See, still rising, right? Still rising here. Okay, rising here. Like again, let me look at the smaller time frame. It's rising here. Uh, oh, see, I think they are waiting for news. Like I said, they are waiting for news today, right? Like they are waiting for the news today. So hmm, okay, now like it is ranging 1950 to, okay, now M1, what we can see, rise up. Okay, yeah, I think they're waiting for news. Are just ranging. Okay, can you look into gold? This is a gold now. Okay, gold XAU USD. Like I say, what you can see here, like yesterday, right? It's come up to take out my like order block here, right? You can see it's like all the way down, right? In in daily time frame, and in H4, I thought like okay, this is like kind of like a bearish divergence over here. And if you want to zoom in, you have to zoom in here. What you can see, this is the wick here, and then it seems like price could not like go above this wick. Like this is the wick. Let's just say the wick, the zone of the area here. So I think it's now it's like sideways. It's sideways. It looks sideways for me, and then I think they are waiting for the news tonight. So I think if you don't have any position, okay, you just hold because I think gold is quite volatile, and then because of the war, so very hard to trade. But if you were to put the sell order, like I have very small lot here, lot size here. I have a sell position for gold. Then I just put my stop loss just above like one like above edge around here 1970. Okay, like you want to put or you want to trade. Okay, but again in daily time frame or in H4 it look like that. Okay, it look like that, and this is taken already, and I remove, and then this is my, I can just put this as my resistance, or this is just maybe intermediate resistance here, which is like swing high. Okay, and this is could be my first, maybe I put here first resistance here. Okay, and another resistance is somewhere near to like a extension here, which is another like 100 pip more, for example, like here, like here. Okay, now it's really hard to predict because I don't know whether price is going to go up or go down, but it seems like rising now in like uh you know M5. Okay, keep rising already. Okay, so it's best you can put but smaller size if you can, but if you cannot, then just stay away from this pair first. Okay, because I think it's very hard to trade. All right. Okay, any pair guy you want me to have a look? because we still have like 10 minutes, okay, to end our session. Okay, welcome to the webinar, Kenneth. You joining almost end of the section already. Okay, but you think you can ask me any pair, I can just look for you, because I think most of the pair, the major one, I went through already. Okay, again, go if you want to trade. This is very divergent here, but this is like the week they are waiting for the new letter. Okay, so you just see. Okay, say go. I have a very small lot size. Okay, so I'm not sure whether if you come down, but again, I have like stop loss quite big because my lot size small. BTC once again. Okay, before I end the webinar, again, BTC now is like rising. I mean, in hit 4, it look like that. If you were to ask me, I'm not going to trade the BTC because what you can see here, now it's ranging right here. Okay, and if you want to wait for this one, and you're gonna are you going to buy? But you look at the bigger time frame, which is here, it look like that. Okay, that's you see daily it look like this. Okay, it's very messy. Buy sideways and sell and then sideways, buy, sell, sideways, and then all the way up. Some people say that okay, it may look like on in like uptrend. I mean, they make a lower low, lower high. If you want to buy, okay, this is maybe have a opportunity for you to buy here. You see, you will get like up here. I think you can buy like here. See, this is the one. Like I put this on, and then what if you buy here, for example, another resistance here. I mean, in the lead time frame, it's just like this. It's really messy because a lot of liquidity. You can see that a week here, like buy, sideways, and then sell, and then like what about weekly? Okay, look weekly. Weekly, you look like this. Okay, and the weekly time frame is just like okay, sell. Okay, what you can see here, sell and sideways, right? Like the accumulation here, and then buy, sell, buy, and then sideways, and then sell, sideways, and then buy up. Okay, when you see the bigger picture like that, to be honest, like I said, I don't trade BTC. Okay, it's really hard to trade. You see a lot of like, um, now you go up. If you want to buy, your TP should be just okay. Your TP should be just this week or be before this week. Yeah, but in head 4, it's not good to trade. Just like that. No market structure, not very clear. Okay, I say. Okay, okay, guys. Um, I'm going to launch the poll. Even those like only like a few of you guys. Okay, you can help me vote. Okay, because we're going to end the webinar very soon. But again, weekly it look like that. I want to go back to my okay resistance here. Like again, okay, head 4 it look like this. Okay, we do have new tonight, so I think the tonight there might be an impact, right? So I might wait here. Okay, I just let it run first, or if they really go up until there, I might like make a sale. Okay, but it's very like really hard to predict. I don't have the trade set up for this because it's really hard to look at the market structures. Just tell you that I will I will wait I mean, if I were to trade, I'll just wait here. Okay, but if really go up, you want to follow buy or follow long, it's up to you. You may consider. Alright. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, thank you so much for your time today. Okay, I hope you guys learning something. And actually, we do like provide the live training section every Thursday. Okay, so you guys should join because it's free, and then we will provide some like the trade setup or any question if you ask. All right, so you're gonna see me and my colleague. Okay, thank you so much, guys, and have a good day. All right, take care. Happy trading. Bye for now.